Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to kickstart this parallel and perpendicular lines unit off with some vocabulary. Make sure we're all on the same page, using the same words, so we understand what each question's talking about. So we're going to start by identifying two parallel planes. And you'll see those little arrows in there, that means parallel. So having all three of those lines on top parallel with the three lines on the bottom tells us that the planes themselves will also never ever touch. Therefore, the planes are parallel. Plane LMN is parallel to plane OPQ. Now, let's go name two non-parallel planes, basically planes that intersect. And we see all the other planes intersect at those different lines. Therefore, any other combination of planes would be non-parallel. In fact, more specifically, they're actually perpendicular, those side walls with the top and bottom, because we're dealing with a right prism. And we're going to actually use the knowledge of a right prism to make an assumption about this next question. So naming two parallel lines to line LO, we're going to assume, because it's a right prism, that all those vertical lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, line LO is going to be parallel to line MP, which is parallel to line NQ. Last piece here, we're going to name one line that is parallel to PQ. And again, we'll go back to those little arrows on the lines that symbolize things are parallel. So one matches with one, two with two, three with three. So we know that line MN is parallel to PQ. Excellent work. I hope you have a great unit here. And remember, always learn in a peak state. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.